I don't have enough money to trade forex trading. Who said so? How much money then do you need to start trading forex? Yeah. As I usually say, knowledge beats capital when it comes to forex trading. Skills is power. So today I'm going to try to trade on this $0.86 account and see how much far we will go. So be sure to stick around. One trade. Hey!
I'ma do shit my way.
One shot.
So you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Haste. And before we jump into the video, they call me Dinox Sunji Khalifa, Tamara Mara, Govi Kashia, Michael Junior Panditing, Chief Inspector Browse. Haste! Master IV. So this is our $0.86 account. And I usually don't clear the history of my charts because the market footprints repeat this pattern now and again. That is why my charts are always dirty, because my analysis, I usually don't clear them. Yeah. Now we want this is 12 a.m. at night. I want to take this trade so that we can hold this sell until morning, so that we can gather enough, and then in the morning now I will scalp with within 12 hours and see where we can take this trade. Yeah. So this market has been on an a pullback from the bigger time frames, and now from the 4 hour here you can see we were reacting off from that our resistance ceiling. Yeah. So I've entered here with a micro. This is a micro lot, so that I cannot blow it, because 8 pips in loss, then you could easily blow this. Yeah. So I think now the pullback is over. We have been consolidating below that our resistance ceiling for quite a long time, and the price is not ready to go above there. Yeah. So that is why I've taken that sell there and hold until morning, so that we can turn it to at least $1 or $2 and then continue from there. Kaboom!
Yeah, boy.
Dun, dun, dun. How much money then do you need? Yeah. So in the morning, it was a sniper entry, my people. Yeah, I don't know how, but then the price had been consolidating around that our resistance ceiling, and I think now we are up $1, so we are going to close this. Yeah. So my target in this account is to double the initial profit. I double it to the next, so that within short scalp. Yeah. Now this is now the next day. Yeah, in the morning. Yeah. So I want at least to scalp before we have the London and New York, and then see where we will head. Yeah. So I usually don't clear my history. You can as well put those my resistance ceiling and support flow, because they are highly respected by the market. Yeah. So now we are in GBP USD. Yeah. Now after we had hold that sell, now we have an opportunity here for a buy. Yeah. And I'll be explaining why I'm buying at this place here. Yeah. Now you can see we have a formation here. Yeah? This is a candlestick formation. This is a morning star formation. Yeah. Whereby we have a bearish, and then we have the small one there, and then now we have a bullish, which our target area will be after we fully engulf the previous bullish, the previous bearish candle. Yeah. So our target area in this morning star candle formation will target until this bullish candle engulfs completely the previous candle, so that the previous after the middle one. Yeah. So then we can call it off. Yeah. And another thing, yeah, from our resistance or the support flow. Yeah. So we had been consolidating around that place there, and then we had a breakout and a retest. Yeah. So after you have had a breakout and a retest, now the bullish power continued pushing up to our resistance ceiling there. Yeah. So we'll take advantage of that and double this $2 to at least $4, and then now we close. Yeah. Now you can see we are almost in that area of resistance there, and we are almost $1 up. So in this video we are basically going to take short scalps. Yeah, short scalps, and then we are out of the market. Yeah. Now it was a good one. You can see after a breakout and a retest, now we continue up. Yeah. Yeah, it is as simple as that. Now you can see how I usually combine all all the time frames, yeah, from the weekly, daily, 4-hour and stuff. Yeah, now we are about to double this our $2 to $4 so that we close and quickly find another opportunity, because we are scalping. We are not going to hold these markets for long time, yeah, so we are not going to hold them. Now we have doubled it. Now I think now we are going to close here so that we can find other opportunities. Yeah, we are not going to hold. We find a sniper entry, enter with full margin, and we are out of the trade. Yeah, so if you want to trade with these small accounts, the link is on the description below. Using this broker, you can flip any account. Yeah, so we have doubled it to 4.39. Now I re-entered here, but then I never recorded that my re-entry. Yeah? After the previous trade, we had that buy coming down to that our resistance ceiling, and then reacted off from there. Now I entered there and collected another dollar, now from $4 to $5. Yeah, now I never recorded that. Yeah, so we'll quickly find another trade. Yeah, you've seen after that morning star formation, after we had fully engulfed the previous one, we had that retest, yeah, downwards. Yeah, now we are going straight to USD CAD and taking a sell as a full margin sell there, and then I'm going to explain why I'm taking this sell here. Yeah, now from the 4-hour, you can see it is an area of a super resistance. That is our resistant ceiling. Yeah, you can see how I take exact trades from day one to today to tomorrow to next week. Yeah, so this is my resistance ceiling. I'm going to enter here with full margin, and I'm aiming to double that 5 to 10, and then I close that trade. Yeah, so we are only going to double in every step. We are going to double and double and double. Yeah, now from $0.86, now we are in $5. Yeah, now this is the goodness of using this kind of broker, because you can enter with full margin even if you have a limited amount of zero. Yeah, so others you can't even open when you have $5 because it is too small. Yeah, so I'm using leverage 1:3,000. Yeah, man, a baddest global. Yeah. So it is as simple as that, and this is a sniper entry because the market cannot just skyrocket all the way up. Yeah, so I'm going to measure my take profit area there, because it is a short scalp. Now when we get to that area there, I'm going to call it off. Yeah, now it was a sniper entry and the market is reacting off from that area. We are $2 up. Now our equity is at $9. We are almost doubling this, and then we call it off for another one. Yeah, so we are almost getting to 10, and now I think we are going to close. Yes, now we are in $10.25. Yeah, now from a 0.8, now we are in $10. Quickly to another trade. So back to GBP USD. Now after we have we had a breakout, a retest, and now a trade continuation. Yeah, now we are going again to buy here because we had a breakout, a retest, and now we are going now to continue with this trend until we hit our resistance ceiling there above there. Yeah, now this is why I usually don't clear my analysis or my history of trading, because this market footprint will be repeating and coming to exact points each and every time. So you only need to know how to identify them correctly. Yeah, so that is why I don't clear them. Yeah, now this market, after we had a breakout, a retest, now the market is attracted and to push to that our resistance ceiling there. Yeah, so my aim from this 10 one is to flip at least to 20, so that we could have double this to 20, and then we find another trade there. Yeah, man, our baddest global panditing, the master. Sniper mafia. Yeah, so it is as simple as that. Yeah, now after some time the market was attracted to our area there, and we have already doubled it from 10 to 25. Now I'm going to close here so that we can find another entry. Yeah, now this resistance ceiling, the market is going to be attracted to that area so that it can sell after it has reached to this my resistance ceiling. Now I'm going to wait until this market gets to our resistance ceiling, and then I take sales from there. Yeah, so it has already reached there, as you can see, and that is an area of a super resistance, and also is used as support. Yeah, so we have reached our main threshold of that area there, so I'm going to stack in a lot of sell orders there, and now target to flip this from 20 to maybe 40 there. Yeah, a lot of them. So yeah, so you buy and then you sell. Yeah, now that is the beauty of being a scalper. Yeah, you can take a buy and a sell at the same time. Yeah, so this is a full margin trade, and I think yeah, now let us hope that this market is going to react once it has reached in the mid threshold of that our resistant ceiling there. Yeah, now this is a short history of from USD CAD to this GBP USD, and now back to this USD GBP CAD, because I usually like trading GBP USD CAD. Yeah, now after a few minutes the market was reacting off from our resistance ceiling, as we usually as we had said before, and we are now up $10. Now let us you can see how it is a sniper entry again. Now the market is reacting off from our resistance ceiling, and we are going to close once we double this account from this 20 to $40. Yeah, now that is the beauty of scalping with full margin and taking sniper entries, and capital is never an issue. Skills do matter. You can easily blow a $10,000 account now to $40. Mana Borders Global. Yeah. Now we have flipped it. Now we are going to find another trader, because we are not going to hold these trades for a long time. Now we are in 43.10.10. Now straight to another pair so that we can trade. Yeah, now we have gone straight to gold. This is ZAO USD, and we are going now to take our buys. Where are we going to take our buys here? Yeah, you can see we are in an area of a super support and resistance from the previous market, how it has been reacting off. Yeah, and this is the 1 hour, yeah, and then in gold it is highly volatile. Yeah, and this it can easily blow our small account. Yeah, so we are going to full margin and utilize a shortest move into profit and quickly close. Yeah, because it is highly volatile, it can again reverse. Yeah, so we are not going to take it lightly. Once we are in profit, we are going to close as immediately and as quick as possible. Yeah, so we have entered here with a lot of buy orders, and we want to at least take this 40 to 50 to 80 there, and then close and then find another trade. Yeah, so that is now, let us now patiently wait, because, and again you can see this gold came to an area of demand, and now it is reacting off from that order block. Yeah, it has been consolidating in that area, and it has not been able to break below that area. Yeah, so buying in this gold scenario here was a good idea for me and an ideal opportunity for me to buy here. Yeah, now I think, yeah, you've seen how it has been consolidating there, and now we took that to our advantage and then bought there, and now we are $70 equity. We are going to quickly close before the market reverses, because this is gold, bro. Yeah. Now we are going to find another opportunity straight now to 100. Yeah, back to GBP USD here. So can't see any opportunity here, so straight to USD JPY. Yeah, so after a break over that we had this our trend line here, and now we have broken it, and now the market has not yet finished dropping down. Yeah, so I'm going to use that to my advantage and then put my sell orders there, and then before we have that retest coming back to that our trend line area, we could collect some dollars to 100, and then now from 100 to 200 straight, yeah, without wasting much time. Yeah, so this is USD JPY here. We are going to stack a lot of these sell orders so that in the shortest move possible we can make this $70 to $100. Yeah, now I think this move is not yet over, and now we expect, now this candle has finished forming. Yeah, so I timed this the coming one candle, and now we are in profits, and I'm going to quickly close. You've seen that as shortest move there, that is what I was targeting. And now let us now close at $100 and move to another market straight without wasting time. Yeah, now we are going back to our GBP USD. Now after we have now been reacting off from where? From our resistance ceiling there. Do we have an opportunity here? Okay, so let us go to gold straight and now double this. Yeah, now gold has not finished this move. Remember where our target area was. Our target area was at that highest point there. Yeah, but then gold has not yet reached there. Yeah, so we are going to take that to our advantage, because the previous candle has finished forming. Now this new candle here, it is going again to spike up a little bit. Now we are going to use that to our advantage and flip this 100 to 200. Yeah, because in every trade we want to double the account in full margin. Yeah, now this new candle which has started forming, it is going to spike up a little bit before it faces a pullback or a reaction towards downwards. Yeah, now that a small push to the upwards, I think now we are in 200, and I'm going to quickly close here. Now we have doubled this in I think 30 seconds. Yeah, now we are in 218. Yeah, now the new candle, you've seen how I was expecting it to move higher a little bit. Yeah, now let us find another opportunity. Okay, so now this is the history part of it. From the USD JPY straight, we went to from USD JPY to gold. Yeah, and now that is the history. Yeah, so as we are waiting for another opportunity here, because I cannot see any so far. Now I want to tell you, if you want everything that I'm trading here, it is recorded in my Haste FX sniper guide, and I'm going to put some of the reviews here. Yeah, as I look for another opportunity. Yeah, now in GBP USD, we don't see any again opportunity, so we are going to gold. Yes, in gold, and then now we continue with gold, because we have not yet finished. We have not yet reached our target area. Remember, our target area is in this highest point, because gold is targeting these highs. Yeah, now it is going to push up and up and up. Yeah, so I'm going to take an advantage of this incomplete move and stack in buys orders there in full margin and double this 200 to 400. Yeah, in the shortest time possible. Yeah, so we test first the waters, because this is gold, bro, and then now, yes, we first test the waters because this is gold, it is a volatile pair, and then now we enter with full margin. Yeah, okay, this is gold, bro. It is highly volatile. Yeah, so if you don't know what you are doing in gold, avoid it, trade other pairs. I was in wow, we are almost, but I believe gold has not yet finished forming this, has not yet finished pushing up all the way to that our highest point there. Yeah, so yeah, to there we are targeting that area there. Yeah, so I'm not holding. That is why I was not in a position to hold this big move. Yeah, because I'm quickly scalping in and out, full margin, and exiting the market in the shortest distance possible. Yeah, now this is gold, we are targeting that area there, and we have not yet reached that area there. Yeah, now that is why we still have room to double this from 200 to 400 using gold there. Yeah, now let us wait patiently, and remember this account was formerly 0.8. Yeah, now you've seen skills do matter. So capital, even if I gave you this $200, you can easily blow them without the correct skills in the market. Yeah, now I think now it is pushing up. It was consolidating there for a short time. Now it is pushing up. Yeah, I like quickly closing in gold because it can easily reverse, because gold is always volatile. It's a volatile pair. Yeah? So I think I'm going to close quickly once we hit the 400 mark. Yeah, we're going to close as quick as possible, bro. We don't want to hold these markets for quite a long time. We are quickly scalping in and out and finding other opportunity trades in other markets. Yeah, so after some time here, now I think we are in deep profits, and now we are going to close quickly at $400. Yeah, that short move has given us 400, and now we are going to close quickly. So from this 400, this move has not yet finished forming, and we are going to take that to our advantage and again enter here with some powerful sells now, because after a push, after an impulsive move, you are going to expect a retest. Yeah, now you are going to take that. You saw the previous time when we were in a loss. Yeah, now that $100 loss is the one that now we are trading in this side in this time round. Yeah, now we are going to target that. Now we are up in 100 and we are going to quickly close, I think, because we don't want to hold, because that we are trading a retest, a small pullback before a trend continuation. Yeah, because the target of this gold is to reach that area there. Yeah, now we are going to quickly close before the move starts. Yeah, now previously you can remember the loss I was in $100 loss. Now this is the loss that I've traded here. Yeah, now you only need to identify the correct where they are going to form after a new candlestick or before another candlestick comes. Yeah, now back to GBP USD, we are going to take a advantage. Remember, now we are reacting off from our resistant ceiling. Yeah, you saw in the morning how once we get to this our support or our resistance ceiling, we keep on reacting and bouncing off from those areas. Yeah, now after we have reached our resistance ceiling again, the market is bouncing off from our resistance ceiling. Now Tunjiman is going to take an advantage and scalp there in a few seconds and take advantage and then stack in most of these positions here and target somewhere at those lows down there, so that we can quickly flip this from 500 to somehow a good amount, and then we now take a last one and now see where we'll get to. Yeah, now this is the beauty of scalping and using full margin with the sniper entries as directed by the chief Panditing in the haste effect sniper guide. Yeah, all this pattern, all these candlestick chart patterns and this super support and resistance ceiling are recorded in my book. That is why I have these sniper ones. Yeah, that is how I can easily make these entries. Yeah, now we are reacting off from that area, so we'll be consolidating there for quite a long time, for some time, before we enter into profits. Now it is 2:01 and New York will be coming by 3 p.m. Yeah, so I want to finish this before the New York comes, because New York usually comes with a lot of volume and spikes in it can easily spike against you because the volume is highly. Yeah, so for example in gold, when you want to kill a lion, kill it when it is sleeping, because when it is active it can easily destroy you. Yeah, now we have taken advantage of the intercessions and in London before the actual volume kicks in New York to quickly scalp these these ups and downs before the real volume comes in. Yeah, so volume can be a double-edged sword. It can push you quickly into profits and can easily blow your account with full margin. Yeah, So that is why most of the time, sometimes I like trading when we don't have much volume, when scalping with full margin. Yeah, because a shortest move can make me a lot of money and I'm out of the market. So I don't need to have large moves in the market to make money. Yeah, so I'm targeting these lows here, and once we get to those lows there, or when price start reacting before it gets to those areas, I'll quickly close. Yeah, now we are up $100. Now I think we are up $100. We are almost to 600, and we'll be closing, yeah, soon, because I don't want to keep on holding these things for too much. So let me now close at 600 and look now for the last one, so that we can flip now that 600 to 1000 straight as the chief pandit team on a baddest global haste master. You don't know your about, you know, Mr. Hey, yeah. Yeah, so this is gold. It has not yet reached our target area. And now back to GBP USD, it never reached our target area. So if we continued holding for quite a long time, we could now be consolidating or be back in losses again. Now that is the power that comes with scalping in quick and out of the market. Yeah, now let us go to, I don't see any opportunity here, back to gold. And now let us now utilize that push that has, we have a small distance left from where the market is to our target area there. Yeah, now we are going to take advantage, and now let me measure the amount that we can make to that area. Now by the time the market is reaching to that area there, we could have already flipped this gold trade successfully. Yeah, now it is as simple as that. Take a sniper entry with a good broker and everything is going to be smooth, and knowing what you are doing in the market. Remember, this account was originally from $0.8, and I've taken you through step by step from the morning, and now we are in 207, and we are like 53 minutes before New York kicks in with a lot of volume. Yeah, so there are times when I trade with volume, and there are days when I'm scalping. I don't want volume to affect my trades, yeah, because I'm entering in with full margin. Like gold can easily blow this account from this where it is now when we have volume kicking in against us. Yeah, so we don't want such things. Now we are targeting a shortest distance move into profits, and we could have doubled this account. Yeah, now that is the goodness of combining many strategies into one thing. I usually tell you I'm a cocktail of all flavors in the market. Yeah, like I've traded everything and I have experience over these things. Yeah, now that is why I can easily move from gold to USD JPY to back to CAD, back to what, again and again. So today I'd only chosen only those few trades to take for only today. Yeah, so remember, everything is recorded in the Haste FX Sniper Guide, and in the 1st of April that book will be going for $100. Yeah, by you taking a good entry, you can easily return your investment back with one trade. Yeah, because I can easily make $100 in 30 minutes. Yeah, and using that book forever, you can make those $100 for 30 minutes for how many long. So it is worth investing in that book. Yeah, now our equity is at 900, and now we are 1000, and now we are going to close. Yeah, man, our baddest global chief panditing, you don't know you're about to know. Now from 0.86 to $1,000. I told you, once I unlock this to $1,000, now I'll be doing this account flip now and again. Remember how I usually used to do from $1 to 100 in 2 times in a week. Yeah, now these are from now henceforth, be expecting more of this to 1,000. Yeah, once now I achieve my $50 to $10,000 challenge, now I'll be doing that in coming weeks now and again. Yeah, the aim of every trader is to get to $1 million, man, a baddest global. Yeah, so the market in GBP USD never came to our target profit, and now that is the goodness of scalping, and now it is reacting in my resistance ceiling there, yeah. So you can copy this, my resistance ceiling and my support flow, yeah. Now this challenge, I started it in the morning, and it is recorded live in my status, as I usually do, yeah. From 0.8 to the moon, dropping soon, YouTube Artist Academy, yeah. And 113 people saw this, yeah. Manabades Global. So if you have reached here, you are a legend, and so we will meet in the next one. So if you want the Hey Sniper Guide, remember my number is in the description, and if you want to sign up to the broker, the link is on my description. So you're going to get 50% deposit bonus. So afterwards, this gold got to our area of interest. You remember how we wanted it to reach to this highest point, and after reaching to that area there, it reacted off and dropped, and gold melted all the way to this area there, yeah. Now our TP, if we were holding, our TP could be hit and smashed hard, yeah. And now to GBP USD. Now it is reacting off from our resistance ceiling again. We left it when the market was at this place here. Now I had to stretch it to this area for my next entries on another day, yeah. So the balance is still intact from that time there. And again, in other trades that we took another trade on this. Now we had said the market is going to have a pullback to that our trend line, or to that our resistance ceiling. The market is kind of consolidating at that place there. And finally, we took a trade on USD CAD, and the market is dropping, like the market is dropping to these areas down here, yeah. So we took an entry. Let us zoom to the 4-hour. We took an entry from this resistance ceiling here, and shortly after the market dropped all the way. So if you were holding in this trade, we could have made a lot of, like, yeah, but we were scalping short trades, and we are now out. So we call it a wrap. That was it. Also, if you have come all the way to this place, I consider you a legend, and don't forget to subscribe, and of course sign up to the link in the description. So until next time, bye bye.